Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your Social Club account with Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Add a Game. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Add a non-Steam game. This feature allows you to integrate external game launchers with your Steam library, making it easier to manage all your games from one place. After clicking that, a new window will pop up showing you a list of programs and games installed on your computer. Browse through this list carefully and look for Rockstar Launcher. If you can spot it right away, simply select it and you're good to go. However, if you can't find Rockstar Launcher in the list, don't worry, there's an easy workaround for this. Look for a button labeled Browse in the bottom left panel of the window and click on it. Once you click Browse, a File Explorer window will open up, allowing you to manually navigate to where Rockstar Launcher is installed on your computer. Locate the Rockstar folder, select the Rockstar Games Launcher application file, and then click Open. This will add it to your selection list, ensuring Steam recognizes the launcher even if it didn't automatically detect it earlier. Now that you've selected Rockstar Launcher, click Add Selected Programs. This action will integrate the Rockstar Games Launcher into your Steam library, making it accessible directly from Steam. Give it a moment to process and add the program to your library. Next, navigate to the upper left corner of your Steam interface and click on Library. This section displays all the games and applications you have in your Steam account, including the ones you've just added. In the left panel of your library, scroll through your list of games and applications until you find Rockstar Games Launcher. Click on it to open its dedicated page within Steam. On the Rockstar Games Launcher page, you'll see a play button. Go ahead and click play. Here's where the magic happens. Once you click this button, Steam will launch the Rockstar Games Launcher, and during this process, it will automatically link your Social Club account with Steam. This seamless integration means you won't need to manually input any account details or go through additional verification steps. The connection happens in the background, streamlining your gaming experience across both platforms. And that's it, your Social Club account is now linked with Steam, allowing you to access your Rockstar games more conveniently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.